FocusPoint has many industry solutions, including the manufacturing. So this can be found on our corporate website, FocusPointSAP.com, and just highlight under industry solutions for all the purpose-built solutions that we have. So we specialize in B2B, e-commerce, and SAP customer portals, but we also extend out into B2C as well. So we're going to focus on YG1 for the purposes of this video. So YG1 is a manufacturing business that sells everything around cutting and more. So we have a web navigation system that was built for them. So within SAP, they've extended their item master with our FocusPoint objects to create that full web category. They have enriched their SAP data to include everything around faceted searches. Again, the better data you have in SAP, the better experience that you can create online, and we definitely prepare you for it. So here I can either add to the cart or add to a quote. So if I go ahead and add to the cart here, I can jump there and do a fast checkout experience. I also have other capabilities here as well. If I'm logged in as a sales rep, which I am, I can do the same type of behavior, either ordering or building quotes with my business partners itself. Any special messaging is also here for them to click on or accept. You can always upsell and cross-sell and educate your business partners. So from here, I could enter into the quick order, place an order through the grid, either by a barcode or by a SKU lookup, anything like that. I could also draw their attention to any type of PDF information that I might want to do, any product updates, or take a look at some promotions that are going on. Maybe there's different type of BOGO things. All this can be quickly done and shown to the customer. Also supply information, everything from maps, FAQs, chats, all types of things are possible within FocusPoint. In terms of details around an item, that can be as specific as you want to be within your item master. So for example, if I want to drill into one of these products, I can show all of the types of stock information in different warehouses. I can combine warehouses just to show some accumulated information. List price, their price, again, lead time, anything that is in SAP can be displayed here. If there is any promotions or those kind of things as well, it would go right inside of here.